today, so yeah, I'm at the gas station, filled up gas. No, I didn't fill up gas, fuck, what the fuck. Anyways, I'm going to the gym, about to hit a bro session, but we got something special. Got the STI. It's like sparkly clean, thank God, like looks pretty cool. So we're gonna rip it down the fucking highway. Let's go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stick shift, baby, let's go. And there's a fucking riced out Dodge in the gas station. Look, he's fucking going. I wonder if he wants to race. Look at that fucking asshole. Fuck Dodges. Actually, you know what? Subarus fucking suck, you know that? Subarus are terrible. I don't know why I'm driving this. It's not like it has 400 horsepower or anything, you know? And look, he just did a pull for us, you know? Let's fucking go catch him. Okay. But anyways, it's been a while. No, it hasn't. It's been like fucking 8 days. How you guys doing? We're back. Anyways, I'm gonna talk about a life lesson for you guys. You know, it's a Subaru. The fourth piston might fucking blow out of nowhere, especially making this amount of power. But I want to talk to you guys about, if you guys want something so bad, just go fucking after it, man. Don't hesitate, you know? Lots of people, they want something in life. They want to pursue something. They never do it, and I don't understand why. It's very easy. As soon as you just go with the flow, do it day by day, not stress about it, it'll come to you instantly. So, I don't know what the fuck you guys are waiting for. Just do what you really want to do in life. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your energy on people, on friends that aren't gonna work with you on that. Excuse my fucking downshifting. Like, I'm trying to get my rev matching perfectly because this is a fucking 400 horsepower rally car, and yeah, I fucking hate Subarus. Like, they're the gayest thing ever produced. But I'm only driving this because of, like, it can beat that fucking shit box over there. And it's 400 horsepower all-wheel drive. What more can you get? Holy shit. Yeah, it's fast. So the one thing I do like about this car is that it's just so old school and classic. Like, it's something that I've always dreamed of driving. Obviously, fucking hate Subarus. You know, it's a nice car to have in the winter. It's good for them that they're banning TikTok, because social media and fucking all those shit, OnlyFans, Instagram, Facebook, people are not talking normally. They're just fucking retarded. No communication. Everyone has an instant dopamine hit, ultimate gratification. You know, people not communicating with people, relationships are going down to the fucking drain. I don't know, it's, the world's a fucking mess, you know? If you really want to enjoy something in your life, get a fucking fast car and crash that shit going 300 miles an hour. It's my best advice. So, you only live once, make it quick. Screw the fucking GTI, we're getting a fucking BMW. BMW for days, bro. Gotta harness my inner fucking Arab, you know? Gotta put that Dior Sauvage next to me on the fucking door. Hang it from the, you know, the mirror, like a freaking mini bottle of Dior Sauvage. I love this corner. This is my favorite corner ever. Oh look, the fucking BMW dealership. Can't wait to get my fucking car from here. Oh fuck. The handling in this is amazing, thanks to the limited slip. God damn. So quick. Dude, I can't believe Subaru messed up their fucking new Gen WRXs. Like, I don't know, they're fucking retarded for that. If you guys can still get one low mileage, definitely recommend you guys getting one. But obviously, don't be gay like all the Subaru. Make sure you guys don't have the coexist sticker on the back. Don't get the haircut too. Also, if you guys are having hair loss, make sure to get minoxidil and finasteride. Kill your DHT receptors. Fuck that. Who needs DHT? It's just the male hormone. Oh yeah, it's a ram. We're gonna fucking ram up your ass. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I've been wanting to get pulled over by a state trooper. I don't know why. It's just my fantasy. Like, I want to get pulled over by a fucking, like, I don't know, like a... Never mind. I don't want to say it. I'll get fucking... Look at this asshole. God damn. I'll get canceled for what I was gonna say. I mean, if you guys want to get a girl, it's very easy. Go to the gym, make money, have a quick car, you know, cool turbo noise car. I don't know, just not a fucking Subaru, obviously. Ain't a Tesla. Don't get a fucking electric car. What else? Make sure to cook food. Hygiene is number one. Go to church every Sunday. Pray to a God, you know, because faith obviously is number one. Be strong-minded. Have great willpower. Don't be afraid to say no to people. That's also a big killer in today's society. People do not know how to say no. Trust me. Say no, it'll get you places. Here, you guys want to hear a fucking stock exhaust Subi? I like it this way though, because it's not obnoxious. Let's launch that fucking 400 horsepower sexually transmitted infection straight into the Acura. I can't believe Subaru's like performance division's name is STI. What were they thinking, especially in the American market? It's like STI, come on. It stands for sexually transmitted infection. What the fuck? Oh, there's a lot of cars here, by the way, so it's pretty cool. So, yes. Why is there a fucking coexist Subi tailgating me? You know? Yeah. Alright guys, that was just a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I love you guys, obviously. Stay safe, use protection, and as always, I love you. Peace.